It's
Perfect.
visible?
Yes,
It was, yeah,
it
It
is. It
was.
is.
it is visible. Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you.
It is visible. So I'll make it a full screen.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for helping out. So today we're going to be looking into the National Education Policy, which is a very, very new policy. And it is basically putting it into one line. It's moving from content and to concept and skill. But why do we need a new policy? Teaching in the 21st century. Okay, if we just simply ask ourselves, what will my students need 20 or 50 years from now? How can I help give them those skills which will take them to the life of the next 50 years? If our students are anything between 10 and 20, they have another 50 or more years of work ahead of them. This is something that comes. Today, we know students can find information, they can find anything, anytime, anywhere on Wikipedia, Facebook, YouTube's, cell phones. It is all there for them. So, virtually, they have limitless information. Growing up with this technology means growing up with unprecedented amount of information at their fingertips. Who is going to guide them to filter this information and make correct and ethical use of this information? This is becoming a very major issue. You must have realized it even in your Google Meet or Zoom classes that you're having now, that there are certain students who are going to do a little bit of a misbehavior without really, showing who they are and disrupting classes. That's been happening right through in Dehradun in all the schools. With all of this information available, coming to a next very important and a crucial point, should our curriculum be focused on facts and content, which is at the moment existing, or should we be focused more on skills? Students teach themselves any topic that they are interested in. The current cohort of students that we have, they are